Well, that's the book, How to Build a KORA, sold at lulu.com, Lulu.com. It's a print to order publication place. You order it, they print it, mail it out to you. What I did was I took pictures when I was building this one, and when I was building this one, and documented them, put them in the book. I did slight different things with each one of these, the way I put the skin on, 2 different methods of putting the skin on, a couple of different methods of putting the tunings in. This one here has turnings up through here. This one here is just straight. If you have a lathe, I have different things. This bowl is turned on a lathe. It's a larger bowl. If you don't have a lathe, dowels, and this is a salad bowl. I can even tell you where to get the salad bowl. All the information you're going to need, all the dimensions, the products, where to buy the products. And yeah, if you want to build a KORA, this is it. KORA, how to build it. Lulu.com. Good luck.